4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Hello guys! This is Mommy Anna, the Wilsons on the go. We are back for another show. It's not another show, but it is unboxing time. Look how big this box. The box. So it's almost as tall as me. So this might be like 3 feet high. As wide as me. No, 2 of me. Alright, so let's see now. Ay, tama na. Tama ng chikaan. Let's go do the unboxing. Drum roll, please. Ding, 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 ding. Oh! Can you see it? Can you see it? Ooh, can you see it? Oh! I'm gonna link the description below from the Amazon. I'm gonna link the description below. Amazon is such convenience. Very convenient. Guys, there's a little box inside the big box. What in the world? Why do they have to do that? To make it look like it's big? It's not that big. Yeah. Ano ba yan? Are you ready? I am not ready. Are you ready? I open it backwards. I think it's easier to do it like this. It's heavy, so that's the clue. It's heavy. Ah! Ah! Very heavy. And what is inside? Whoa! Oh, okay, pretty. That's the first one. And then we are done unboxing that Softbox. Now we are gonna try to put them together. Let's try and let's hope that this one would work. So this is the directions, the instructions. We are done with step 1. This is step 1. I have all 5 of these up. Huh. Good luck to that. Ano na te? Bukas pa tayo matatapos nito. 5 of these set up. So we are moving on to step B. This one. This is supposed to be a B or a C. There is no clear directions. I don't know what to do. Maybe open it like this. I don't know. So finally, We set it up. The paper did not work. The paper directions did not work. So I have to look it up in YouTube. Somebody already set it up, obviously. And I follow that one. Obviously, video is easier than just... Some of the directions here is not really working well. So that gave me an idea that the second one, I'm going to make a video of how to just set up the softbox itself. Because it's hard if you follow this one. And it's easier if you're just going to use your common sense, really, actually. Anyways, alright, let's take a look if this one would work. Alrighty, let's see. Let's plug it in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's one light. One light working. And this? How come this one's not working? There you go. 4 lights. And what is this thing? The fuse that goes back and forth, back and forth. What does fuse mean? Oh, I don't know. Super lamp holder. So that's it. Turn off one. Ah, 2 of them lights up. Okay, cool. All done. Alright, now it's time for us to put these 2 together. Alright, let's put this. Alrighty. Yep, it looks like it's done. I already put the diffuser on. Oh, yeah. Alright. We ready? We ready? One light. Let's turn off one light. Ooh, let's see. How do I look? Crazy. 2 of those. And let's see, how would I look if I put that right there? Ah! Might not work. Okay. Together with this one. Ah, shine bright like a diamond. So shine bright, alive, beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Is that better or what? Ooh, let's take a picture. Hold on.